So today, I'm leaving the barnyard open, so if anybody wants to get warmed up, they can go in. Quit, Hoda, quit. You guys ready? Come on. Woo! Let us walk right into that. Have your head in there. Are you crazy? All right, guys. So moving that worked. It's pitch black outside and it is really nice and bright in here. Thank goodness. I'm so glad I got these to work. Thank goodness. No, well, you just gotta be careful. Willow! Willow, come here, girl! Alaska! No. Did Sammy get one? Sammy! Yeah, see? You just gotta be...
Don't drop it.
Oh. He got it. Now the girls. Walk over there and shake it a little so the girls pay attention. Come here, girls. Go ahead, goats. Come on. There you go. The one goat, you gotta like hold it for a while until she takes it. This one. Because sometimes it takes her a minute to get it. Okay. She did good that time.
Oh, everybody.
You need to get off that.
I'd eat one, but I'm good.
How pretty. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's like a winter wonderland. I don't know if you can see that. Today, it's supposed to be 41 degrees today. Yes. So I'm just going to button some stuff up today. We do have a lot of snow supposedly coming starting tonight. We're going to get a little bit of rain during the day today. Hi, ladies. Good morning. Up Chuck Norris. Hey, you guys, come here. I always miss. Hey, Dee.